This is our final part of Blinking Lights Project 1. This is in reference to page 19. We're going to go over some ways to stay organized. As you can see, code, when you loop it up and down, it can get a little convoluted or a little bit confusing. So how do you make sure that things are clear? So first there's commenting. So you notice that this part is grayed out. And that's because we have this backslash and an asterisk. So if I were to delete it, it turns black and the code will actually read it. But if I add that from the front of it and then add another one to the bottom, it actually comments it out, so the compiler doesn't read it, it'll actually ignore it. So if you actually want to comment in line, another way to do it is to do 2 backslashes. And so let's say you wanted to write something like, oh, program starts here. You just do 2 backslashes and then the code will just skip over it. Or when the compiler will just skip over it when it's reading. One great thing about Arduino is that there is a great color code. So all functions are in orange and then all the variables are in blue. So it's really easy to know whether it's reading it or not. And so if I were to take out this N, it turns black. So you know that's a function that Arduino doesn't know about. And so if it doesn't turn orange, you know that there's going to be a little bit of an issue. So you might have a typo or something might be wrong. And remember, for Arduino, it cares about whether things are capped or not. So if I were to do a little m instead of a big N, it doesn't turn orange, so it's not going to read it as a pin mode function. So, and these are for all the functions that are included in Arduino code. This does not include the functions that you create yourself. Finally, parentheses and indenting. This is a great way to keep organized. So you can see that we have these curly brackets here that help you indicate that this is all in setup. And then anything within setup, we like to tab so that it's a little bit of a break, it's a little easier on the eye. And then same thing here, everything within the loop is in curly brackets, and then these are tabbed as well. So